Well, hello and welcome back. This is Rob Minton, and in these cash flow and air videos, I try to share different ideas and strategies that you can utilize to increase your monthly cash flow, your passive income, and pay off your debt. So we want to increase our income, we want to pay off our debt, and the goal here is really to move into this position of financial strength, where you don't have to worry about money, right? Where you don't have to worry about losing your job, you don't have to worry about the next market crash. And this is important because we want to be able to live with financial peace, where we can sleep at night knowing that everything is going to be okay. I typically talk about different ways you can invest your money to get this financial benefit, right? To move into this position of financial peace. Well, in this video, I want to talk about a different strategy that's actually probably more powerful than investing your money. And the strategy is to be very strategic with how you invest your time. Now, for most of us, we have two resources at our disposal, and both of these resources are very limited, right? Our time is limited. We all have 24 hours a day. Once the day's gone, it's gone. And our money, maybe someone watching this has unlimited money. I don't. More than likely, you don't. So we have to be very strategic with how we invest these two limited resources. And when we think about this, the best way to approach this is to use the magic of compound interest to your advantage with every single thing that you do. So the compound interest is you invest money today. Let's say you invest $100 today, and that investment earns $10 over the next year. So now you have $110 in your investment account. That earns interest in year two. So maybe in year two, you earn $15 of interest. So you make an investment, and then you get a benefit, and then you get additional benefits. The benefits kind of stack on top of each other. They expand. And it is so incredibly powerful because if you continue that process, compound interest allows you to build a significant amount of wealth. It's what Warren Buffett utilized to build his massive wealth. Now, the thing about that is that we can use the same strategy with how you invest your time. And the best way to think about this is, what can you do today to make tomorrow better? How can you invest your time today to make tomorrow better? What can you do this week to make next week better? This month to make next month better? So it's being very strategic with what you do on a daily basis so that you receive a massive amount of future benefit. And one way to think about this is with exercise. And in a prior video, I recorded why I run. And in that video, I shared the basic training plan that someone would follow to run a marathon. And that plan is week 1, you run 1 mile. Then week 2, 2 miles. Week 3, 3 miles, 10 miles, 15 miles, 20 miles. So you're investing your time on a daily basis in order to achieve this goal. And the cool part about that is that each time investment you make offers you numerous benefits. All right. So as you're training for the marathon, you are improving your cardiovascular system, you're improving your fitness, your endurance, you're becoming stronger, you're developing mental toughness, which is a critical part of marathon training. And these benefits kind of stack on top of each other. And then when you run that marathon, you are enjoying a massive number of benefits from the daily time investments that you made in that training program. And hopefully those health benefits will pay dividends for months and years to come. The same thing applies if you go to the gym and you are lifting weights, right? If you're doing resistance training and you're doing full body workouts, you are tearing your muscles with every single workout. You're going to be a little sore. That forces your muscles to grow. You're getting stronger. Your muscles are getting larger. You're improving your health. Daily time investments compound, offering you numerous benefits. Those are two easy examples that we all can see and utilize. But there are additional ways that you can invest your time. So one way is to invest your time this week or this month to go out and look at different investment properties. Let's say you want to invest in real estate. You can go out and look at a bunch of homes. You can study the market. You can run the numbers, make offers. And if you are able to, try to buy one property a month, right? So think about that. You're investing your time in order to find a rental property. You buy that property and then you enjoy benefits from that property every single month going forward. So if you were to utilize this plan, obviously there's more to it, but month 1, 1 property, month 2, 2 properties, 3 properties. Every future month gets a little bit easier and better because of the time investment you made previously. You're receiving the income from your prior properties. You're probably a better investor because you've made some mistakes. You've learned, you know what to look for, you know what to avoid. So you're compounding this time investment in such a way that you're receiving numerous benefits. Let's say you want to write a book, okay? And a book could be an income producing asset if you publish it. And you decide, I'm going to just write 3 pages a day. Not too hard. Time investment. At the end of a month, you have 90 pages. Is that enough for your book? Probably, right? and you keep writing 3 pages a day. Month 2, you have 2 books. Month 3, 3 books. Go on Amazon and search John Grisham, one of my favorite authors. Look how many books he's written. I believe he publishes 2 books a year. Look up James Patterson. How many books has James Patterson written? They are making small daily time investments that are building assets for their family. So at the end of a year, 1 book a month, you have 12 books. You have 12 assets. So you are utilizing your time this month to make next month better. And if you keep doing that, these benefits compound, they stack over time. So the opportunity that we all have is to, think through our goals. What goals do you have? And then work backwards from that goal. Like, what daily actions can you take that would guarantee your success, right? And I really want you to think about how you're investing your time, because this is so critically important. Most people miss out on all this. They just let this time go frivolously, right? And you can't do that. You have to be very strategic with how you invest your time. And I think what is really important in order to make this work in your life is you have to see what's at stake. What is the opportunity cost for you not making these daily time investments? So that goal, whatever it is, that goal is not possible unless you make these small daily investments. All right, so how you do this is you think through what your goals are. And for me, I want to have a large portfolio of income producing assets. I want to have a large portfolio of assets in the stock market. I want to have a large portfolio of real estate assets. I want to have a large portfolio of books. And now I'm using this strategy here with videos, right? I'm trying to make 1 video a day. And these videos are little assets that will compound over time, and at some point in the future I'm going to have a large portfolio of video assets. So I'm trying to be very strategic with my time. So my goal is to build this massive portfolio of assets that offers numerous benefits for myself and for my family. So think through what your goal is, and then what daily actions can you take that would guarantee your success. This is critically important, right? This idea of having a daily action is critically important because it gives you a path to walk, right? If you don't have a specific daily action that you can take that will lead to this goal, there's probably a very low likelihood that you're going to accomplish it. You need a specific action that you take. And in addition to that, you need to understand the opportunity cost, right? What is at stake if you do not complete that daily action? What do you lose out down the road if you don't do that? What does your family lose out on down the road if you don't make this small daily investment of your time? And that opportunity cost is significant, right? We lose out on so many amazing benefits by not making this daily investment. If you don't exercise today, you are losing out on all the benefits from that exercise. You're going to probably have health conditions. You're probably going to feel like garbage. You're going to have low energy. You're not going to have very much confidence. You're just going to feel like garbage. Like, this is the cost of not making this investment. And last, but certainly not least, is you have to understand that you're going to have bad days, right? If you're training for a marathon, you might go out for a run and feel like garbage, where you end up running a mile, walking a mile, running a mile, walking a mile. Maybe you go to the gym and you're planning to do a hard workout, but it's not there. You feel like crap. You don't have the strength you typically have. That is okay. That's part of the process. You might sit down on your computer to write a couple of pages and it's just not flowing. You just have to keep at it. It doesn't matter if it's good or bad. What matters is that you're taking that consistent daily action that will compound over time. And if you do this every single day, a few bad days, it doesn't really matter. What matters is the combination of all of those daily investments. You might buy a bunch of rental properties, right? 1 a month. You might end up having a bad property. Doesn't matter. You learn from it, you adjust, you make the next investment better. The benefits of compound interest come when you are consistently doing important things over a long period of time. So don't let any one day or any bad week or bad month set you back, right? Because you have too much at stake. All of those benefits that you're fighting for, they disappear when you give up. So just hang in there. Small daily investments compound over time. And if you follow this, you're virtually guaranteed success with any goal that you have. So I hope this helps. Make sure you do something today that will make tomorrow better. I'll catch you in the next video.